Hi, I'm Caleb. I am in the management division with a marketing focus. Chose NEC because, well, one, it helps that my dad went here, and I had a few offers for colleges in the area for golf, but NEC just kind of made me feel like I was at home. I really like the small vibe, and all the teachers really, really care about you. Just being in the town makes me just feel like I'm at home, and it was a welcoming feeling. Decided to give business a chance because that's kind of what my mom does for work, and it's the best decision I've made. My favorite part about the program is definitely the professors. The curriculum's awesome. I definitely have learned so much, and it's prepared me for what I want to do in the future. My favorite moments have been when we brought home the conference championship twice. The golf team this year and last year. A lot of the students have come up and congratulated me, and that's something I've never experienced before in high school or any sport growing up. So definitely feel like a family here, and that's definitely my favorite part. Next year, I'll be doing my graduate program in strategic leadership. And once I'm done my graduate program, I'm gonna enter in the finance and accounting field, see where that takes me.
My name is Gina. I'm in the management division with a major in business administration and minors in sports and recreation management and marketing. When I was choosing between schools, I wanted to continue my athletic career. I play ice hockey and women's lacrosse here at school, so having the opportunity to play both sports while still focusing on my academics was really important to me. And throughout my application process, I had a lot of help with my coaches, my admissions counselors. They helped me a lot with the process, so it felt really welcoming. I love our program because they offer a lot of extracurricular activities for the students involved. Last year, I actually had a few surgeries, a few injuries. Everyone helping me throughout that time was really special because obviously people go through their different stuff in life, and just having a great group of teammates, leaders, my professors, my counselors, just having such a big community of people to help.
My name's Alex. I'm a business administration major, and I had a couple offers to play basketball coming from South Florida. I had a lot of schools up here, and I just liked how my head coach for basketball here was reaching out to me and just giving me that reassurance of coming here to be a good decision. So that really made me go ahead and commit here, and I haven't regretted anything since. The professors and just the people I was able to meet over my 4 years here at NEC, I just feel like I learned so much from them, just even outside of the classroom, just navigating just through the business world, and just being able to network and meet new people has been awesome. Honestly, like every day was just a blessing, just being a student athlete, just being able to experience that and just walk around. And as I said earlier, just the people you get to meet, the friends you make over the course of 4 years, I thought was just really cool. And it's something I'll always remember, even my time after I leave here.
My name's Mary. I'm majoring in business administration with a concentration in marketing, and I also have a minor in sport and rec management. I also wanted to pursue my athletic career in college. The faculty, staff, coaches, everyone like that was very helpful. The business program in itself is self-explanatory. It's something that is great and awesome, and I'm happy to be a part of it. I really enjoy a lot of the professors. I feel like I'm able to have a more personable relationship with a lot of them, and it's helped me to get things like this, such as interviews and scholarships and just opportunities like that in general. And as a senior, I've been looking for jobs and things like that. The professors have been amazing with trying to figure out what that next step is for me after graduation. Some of my special moments, I'm currently senior class president, and I'm student athlete advisory committee president as well. So just branching out and putting myself out there and kind of getting out of my comfort zone has enabled me to grow so much as a person, builds relationships and connections that I didn't necessarily think I would. Thriving academically and athletically has helped me come so far.
It definitely is scary at first, but dive in, do it. Meet everybody, talk to everybody, make friends as fast as possible, and just try everything, get involved. Don't be scared is the best thing. College is what you make of it, so I just have as much fun as you possibly can.
Being open and just trying new things is great. I also would say to not doubt yourself and hold yourself back from any possibilities, just being open to trying new things and trying to apply for different opportunities as well.
For any incoming freshman or anyone, being open-minded. I feel like we all come from smaller towns or just different places. We're all from all over the country and over the world. So I feel like definitely being open to meeting new people and making new friends, coming out of that shell has helped me a lot for sure. And I definitely think it will help anyone else.
Branch out, and if professors like recommend you for anything, even if you're like a little hesitant on if you should or shouldn't do it, you never know until you branch out and do those things, because you never know what it may lead you to. So I would just say take advantage of all opportunities that the division has, and even joining clubs that are relating towards that division. It's really beneficial for you as like an individual and as a learner. So I would definitely say just take advantage of every opportunity academically, and if you're in sports, athletically as well.